Polycarbonate conservatory roofs are inefficient, noisy, too hot in the summer, and too cold in the winter. A glass or tiled conservatory roof is perfect for a new or existing conservatory. But which is best? There are many factors to consider. Glass roofs enhance classically styled properties, while tiled roofs perfectly blend a conservatory with the rest of the home. Glass roofs flood a property with more natural light, while glass panels can be included in a tile roof to achieve the best of both worlds. Tiled roofs are the most efficient, achieving U values as low as 0.15 while glass offers as low as 1.0. Tiled roofs will prevent your neighbors looking in on you from above. Tiled roofs have been preferable to reduce noise, while advanced comfort glass can provide 20% better noise reduction. Glass means fewer materials and labor, and lasts between 20 to 25 years, while tiled roofs last over 50 years and are likely to add the most value to your home, potentially adding 5 to 10% to your property. Choose the right conservatory roof with SEH BAC. Call 0800 666 444 or visit www.sehbac.com now.